Hi! In front of me is OPPO A1 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. First of all, go into Devices Settings and tap on Connection and Sharing. Then select Print, Default Print Service, and over here, just wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you wish to use different print service though, you can always do that by disabling this one, thanks to blue sweater next to it. Going back and tapping on Add Print Service. Then installing the best one for you. I will go with HP one. And tapping on the back button twice. Then just clicking on your new service and waiting again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!